How to turn on two-step verification on Facebook. So first of all, launch Facebook app. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on the hamburger icon. Scroll down below and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now go to Settings. From here, tap on See More in Account Center. Now from here, go to Password and Security. From here, go to Two-Factor Authentication. From here, choose your Facebook account. Now, if you wish to, you can also use a passkey. Now, once you come to this page, you can choose any of these methods in order to enable two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. So for now, I'm going to choose SMS or WhatsApp. Now just tap on Next. Now all you would have to do is enter in your phone number. Now once you enter in your phone number, tap on Next. Now all you would have to do is enter in the code sent to your mobile number. So now you will be getting a code something like this. Just tap on Copy and then enter it. Then tap on Next at the bottom. Now enter in the password of your account. Now just tap on Continue. And with that, you will successfully be able to enable two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. Just tap on Done. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.